first meeting at work.
Good morning. My name is Jackson. Today is my first day at work.
Good morning. Welcome to our office. My name is Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily. I am happy to be here.
Nice to meet you too. I will help you get familiar with the workplace.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. How are you feeling about your first day?
I am a little nervous, but I am excited too.
That is normal. Everyone feels that way on the first day.
I hope I can learn everything quickly.
You will. Our team is friendly and always ready to help.
That is good to hear. What do you do here?
I work in the marketing team. I help with projects and meetings.
That sounds interesting. I will work with your team.
Great. I can show you your desk and the office area.
Thank you. This office looks very nice.
This is your desk. You can keep your computer and things here.
It is a comfortable place. I like it.
We also have a meeting room where we discuss projects.
What does project mean?
A project is a piece of work that a team plans and completes.
I understand now. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. We work on many projects together.
Are there any important office rules?
Yes, we should be on time and respect our coworkers.
That makes sense. What time does work usually start?
Work starts at 9 o'clock in the morning.
What time do people take breaks?
We usually take a short break in the afternoon.
That sounds helpful. A break can give people energy.
Exactly. It helps us stay focused.
What does focused mean?
It means giving your attention to one important thing.
I understand. I will try to stay focused at work.
Great. Do you have any questions about your first day?
Yes. Who should I ask if I need help?
You can ask me or any member of our team.
Thank you. Everyone seems very friendly.
We are happy to have you here.
I am excited to start my new job.
That is wonderful. Welcome to the team, Jackson.
Thank you, Lily. I am looking forward to working here.
We are happy to work with you. Have a great first day. Inviting someone to a wedding.
Good afternoon, Lily. It is nice to see you today.
Good afternoon, Jackson. It is nice to see you too.
I have some exciting news to share with you.
That sounds great. What is the news?
I am getting married next month.
That is wonderful. Congratulations, Jackson.
Thank you. I am very happy and excited.
I am so happy for you. When is the wedding?
The wedding will be on Saturday, June 15th.
That sounds like a beautiful day. Where will it be?
It will be at a small wedding hall near the city park.
That sounds lovely. What time does it start?
It starts at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Thank you for telling me. I would love to come.
I would like to invite you to my wedding.
Thank you, Jackson. I would be happy to attend.
Great! Your presence will make the day more special.
What does presence mean?
Presence means being at a place or event.
I understand now. Thank you for explaining.
You are welcome. We want our friends and family there.
Will there be a dinner after the wedding?
Yes, we will have dinner and celebrate together.
That sounds wonderful. What kind of food will you have?
We will have different foods, drinks, and a wedding cake.
A wedding cake sounds delicious.
Yes, it is an important part of many weddings.
What should I wear to the wedding?
You can wear nice clothes that are comfortable.
Okay, I will choose something special.
Thank you for coming to celebrate with us.
I'm happy to be part of your special day.
I hope everyone has a great time.
I am sure it will be a beautiful wedding.
What does celebrate mean?
Celebrate means to do something special for a happy event.
I understand. Thank you for teaching me.
You are welcome. I hope your wedding day is amazing.
Thank you, Lily. I am looking forward to it.
Congratulations again, Jackson. I wish you a happy future. Receiving a package for a neighbor.
Good afternoon, Lily. I have something for you.
Good afternoon, Jackson. What is it?
A package arrived for you while you were away.
Oh, really? Thank you for keeping it safe.
You were welcome. The delivery person left it at my door.
I appreciate your help. I was not home today.
No problem. I saw your name on the package.
That was very kind of you. When did it arrive?
It arrived this morning around 10 o'clock.
I was at work at that time.
I thought you might be busy, so I kept it for you.
Thank you. I'm glad you helped me.
Do you know what is inside the package?
Yes, it is something I ordered online.
Was it something important?
Yes, it is a gift for my sister's birthday.
That sounds nice. I hope she likes it.
Thank you. I think she will love it.
Did you get a delivery message?
Yes, I received a message from the company.
What does delivery mean?
Delivery means bringing a package or item to a person.
I understand now. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Learning new words is always helpful.
Do you usually order things online?
Yes, I often buy books, clothes, and small items online.
That is convenient. Many people do that now.
Yes, it saves time and is easy.
Do you need help carrying the package?
No, thank you. It is not too heavy.
Okay, I'm happy I could help you.
I really appreciate your kindness.
You are welcome. Good neighbors help each other.
I agree. It's nice to have helpful neighbors.
What does neighbor mean?
A neighbor is a person who lives near you.
I understand. That is a useful word.
Yes, good neighbors can make a community better.
I hope your sister enjoys her birthday gift.
Thank you, Jackson. I hope so too.
Have a great day, Lily.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day too. Stuck in an elevator.
Oh no, the elevator stopped suddenly.
Yes, it did. I think we are stuck inside.
I hope we can get help soon.
Do not worry. We should stay calm.
You are right. We need to think carefully.
Yes, the first thing is to press the emergency button.
Good idea. I will press it now.
Great. I hope someone answers.
I hear a sound. Maybe someone received the message.
That is good. Help should come soon.
Have you been stuck in an elevator before?
No, this is my first time.
Mine too. It feels a little scary.
It is okay. We are safe inside the elevator.
You are right. We just need to wait.
Yes, the building staff will help us.
What does emergency mean?
Emergency means a serious situation that needs quick help.
I understand now. Thank you for explaining.
You are welcome. It is a useful word to know.
Should we call someone too?
Yes, we can use the elevator phone or our mobile phones.
I will call building security.
Good. Tell them where we are.
I told them we are on the 5th floor.
Great. They know we need help.
How long do you think we will wait?
I am not sure, but help should come soon.
I'm glad you are here with me.
Me too. It is better not to be alone.
What should we do while we wait?
We can stay calm and talk to pass the time.
That's a good idea. Talking helps me relax.
Yes, everything will be okay.
What does security mean?
Security means people who keep a building safe.
I understand. Thank you.
You are welcome. They are coming to help us.
I hear someone outside the elevator.
Yes, I think help has arrived.
That is great news. Thank you for staying calm.
You are welcome. We handled the situation well.
I hope we can use the stairs next time.
Maybe that is a good idea.